Hello all, welcome to bonadeafashions. In this video, firstly we are seeing an elegant set of cotton sarees with attractive printed design and which will be a perfect choice for this summer season. The saree material is soft in texture and light in weight. The body part is having beautiful prints along with heavy printed border and pallu. The saree length is 6.25 meter along with the running blouse. And this you are getting in a price of 500 rupees. Moving towards the second set, we are seeing fancy silk sarees in mixed design with embossed body and beautiful borders in which golden, silver and copper zari woven patterns are there. All of these collection is having a rich pallu and running blouse. And these beautiful collections you are getting in a price of 600 rupees along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. For orders, DM to the given WhatsApp number. You can also place your order through our Facebook and Instagram pages. The links are given in the description. Please don't make a direct call. Do WhatsApp for any kind of your requirement. And finally, we are seeing is a set of plain cotton silk sarees with line chit pallu and running blouse. Uniform sets are available for this collection and the price is only 400 rupees per piece along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Hope you like the collections. Thank you for watching.